Alright, so before the video starts, what I want to tell you is that I will be using the new intro and outro, therefore replacing the other ones. This is an unnamed production, enjoy, the copyright and username watermark, and this has been an unnamed production, I hope you enjoyed. I will be replacing this with the film countdown and the TV static white noise, like that goes like this. I've been using the previous intro, outro, and copyright username for the past 4 months. This will be the last time I will use that intro and outro and that copyright thing, as the next ones will be applied starting next video. And this is all I have to say before the video starts. But don't worry, be careful because I'll be back in a few seconds. So what I'm doing in this video is just basically me playing the streets. And what I'm doing in the streets is knocking the door repeatedly for 1 minute. So this is all I'm going to say here, so goodbye for now. By the way, this clip was originally recorded on January 8th of 2021. So finally, goodbye for now.